In cities, towns, and rural landscapes around the world, the soft cooing of a bird has become one of the most familiar sounds on Earth. The pigeon, known scientifically as the rock dove, has adapted to almost every human environment, displaying a combination of flight skill, resilience, and social intelligence that few animals can match. Pigeons belong to the family Columbidae, a lineage that dates back millions of years. Fossil evidence indicates that early pigeons coexisted with large prehistoric ecosystems, evolving strong, streamlined bodies and powerful wings that enabled long-distance flight and complex navigational abilities. The pigeon's anatomy is perfectly designed for its lifestyle. Compact bodies, strong breast muscles, and long primary feathers allow for rapid takeoffs, sustained flight, and remarkable maneuverability. Their eyes are highly developed, providing excellent vision for detecting food, obstacles, and other members of the flock during flight. One of the most extraordinary capabilities of pigeons is their homing ability. Experiments over the past century have demonstrated that pigeons can find their way home over hundreds, sometimes thousands, of kilometers. Scientists have hypothesized that pigeons use a combination of the sun's position, the Earth's magnetic field, visual landmarks, and even olfactory cues to navigate with astonishing precision. This ability made pigeons invaluable to humans for millennia. From carrying messages across continents during wars to delivering vital news before the era of telegraphs, pigeons earned the nickname living couriers. Their intelligence, loyalty to their roosting sites, and innate navigational skills made them reliable messengers, often outpacing early human communication methods. Despite their association with urban areas, pigeons also display fascinating social and mating behaviors. They are highly gregarious, often forming large flocks that roost and feed together. Within these flocks, dominance hierarchies and subtle social interactions are observed, from cooing displays to courtship rituals. During mating, male pigeons perform elaborate displays, puffing up the chest, bowing, and producing deep cooing sounds to attract females. Once paired, the male and female share nesting duties, building a simple nest from twigs and debris, usually in sheltered ledges, trees, or building structures. A typical clutch consists of 1 or 2 eggs, incubated alternately by both parents. Chicks, known as squabs, are altricial at birth, born blind and featherless, entirely dependent on parental care. Both parents produce a nutrient-rich secretion called crop milk, which is regurgitated to feed the young, providing essential proteins and fats for rapid growth. Pigeons are opportunistic feeders, consuming seeds, grains, fruits, and even small invertebrates. Their diet is highly flexible, which has facilitated the global expansion, particularly in urban landscapes where humans provide abundant food sources, intentionally or inadvertently. Despite their adaptability, pigeons face threats from predators such as hawks, falcons, and feral cats. In cities, hazards also include vehicle traffic and human disturbances. Yet, pigeons remain remarkably resilient, often thriving in areas where other wildlife struggles to survive. As pigeons mature, their adaptability becomes increasingly evident. Urban environments, with tall buildings, busy streets, and abundant human-provided food, have become prime habitats for these birds. Pigeons are agile navigators, able to weave through narrow alleyways, swoop between buildings, and land on precarious ledges with remarkable precision. Their wings generate powerful lift and maneuverability, enabling sudden changes in direction that help them evade predators such as falcons and hawks that patrol city skies. Social structure remains central to pigeon life. Large flocks provide safety through numbers. Individuals watch for predators while others feed, creating a network of alertness. Within these flocks, pigeons exhibit complex communication behaviors, including cooing calls, head bobbing, and tail fanning displays. Males demonstrate courtship rituals with exaggerated bowing and wing movements, while females select mates based on the vigor and quality of these displays. Nesting is equally strategic. In urban areas, pigeons exploit building ledges, bridges, and abandoned structures, creating safe havens for their chicks. Pigeons are highly devoted parents. Both the male and female share responsibilities, incubating eggs, feeding squabs, and teaching fledglings the skills needed to navigate urban or natural landscapes. Crop milk, a protein-rich secretion produced by both parents, nourishes chicks during the critical early weeks, promoting rapid growth and survival. Homing and navigation continue to astonish scientists. Pigeons can return to their home lofts from hundreds of kilometers away, even when transported blindfolded to prevent visual cues. This incredible orientation relies on multiple senses, magnetic fields, sun positioning, olfactory cues, and possibly even infrasound. These innate abilities have cemented pigeons' reputation as natural navigators and earned them historical importance as messenger birds in wars and trade. Culturally, pigeons are deeply entwined with human history. They have been domesticated, revered, and depicted in art, literature, and religious symbolism. In ancient civilizations, pigeons delivered messages across empires, carrying news that could influence battles or political decisions. Even today, pigeons are bred for racing and exhibitions, demonstrating intelligence, endurance, and trainability. Despite their ubiquity, pigeons play a vital ecological role. They serve as prey for predators, contribute to seed dispersal, and help maintain balance in urban and rural ecosystems. Their presence often indicates adaptable ecosystems where natural and human-altered landscapes intersect. Urban pigeons exemplify the delicate balance between wildlife and human civilization. Their remarkable navigation, social intelligence, and reproductive strategies allow them to thrive alongside humans. While some view them as pests, their resilience, beauty, and historical significance highlight the intricate relationships between species and the environments they inhabit. As dusk falls over city rooftops, flocks of pigeons gather in communal roosts. Shadows stretch long across buildings and streets, but the birds remain vigilant. At first light, the flocks take flight again, a living testament to adaptability, intelligence, and survival. In every COO, every precise glide between buildings, and every flock circling over the skyline, pigeons showcase the enduring story of life finely tuned to thrive in harmony with a changing world.